Hello my creators, today we are going to make twist card. For that we require some materials like this. Let's start the video. First you have to take a base paper. I take the brown color base paper here. Now my paper size is 12 by 12 inch. You can take according to your paper and your card size. First divide this paper in the 9 equal square. Means each square will be a 4 by 4 inch like this. Now after that take the empty refill pen and start scrolling the lines. Remember then I draw the only dividing line. Raised line I will not draw, but I am going to draw with the empty refill pen directly like this. See, this line I will not draw, but we have to trace. So remember each of my line, which line I am tracing. That all line you must have to trace. So like this you can see the swastika in the center. Now we can start folding something like this. Each of line we are going to fold it. You can use any kind of tools for make a proper kiss like mine. Now you can able to see the swastika in the center. Now last tracing line, this one. Now main thing of the card, we are going to start twisting this card. So remember this how I am folding. See, look properly. So here is just twisting ready. I can show you one more time. See, from here till here, and this is the extra part. Like this you have to fold it. See, like this. Now we are going to do last folding like this. Every side you have to fold it like this, and last you have to enter in the first one. Like this your card is ready. Now we are going to start using a plain and printed paper for the decoration. In this whole card you have to stick printed and the black paper both in a triangle shapes only. So in a center this much only. Like again we can fold our paper like this. Now we are going to stick the printed paper in extra triangles. This I take a printed paper 9 by 9 centimeter square and I divide it like this. You can take according to your triangle size. Now I can stick this one here. Before that I can stick it on the black paper also. Now in a center I am going to stick only plain black paper. See, a small triangle here. Like this I can cover the raised triangles also. Now I am going to stick this here, not in a front part. I am going to stick in a outer part. So like this your whole twist card is ready. I hope you like this activity and enjoy this work. Thank you.